What is your name?
My name is Arshan Ali.
In which class do you study?
I study in first class.
In which school do you study?
I study in Sufan Awal Parishad Urdu School, Akol.
Which district?
Akola,
Which state?
Maharashtra.
What is name of your class teacher?
My class teacher name is Firoz Khan, Mr. Firoz Khan.
What you learning?
I learning the sounds E-A sound, N-E-A-R near, D-E-A-R dear, F-E-A-R fear, G-E-A-R gear, L-E-A-R lear, R-E-A-R rear, Y-E-A-R here, H-E-A-R here, Y-E-A-R here, H-E-A-R here, M-E-A-N mean, B-E-A-N bean, D-E-A-N din, G-E-A-N gene, J-E-A-N gene, K-E-A-N keen, R-E-A-N green, L real, real, B-E-A-L beal, D-E-A-L deal, deal, H-E-A-L heel, M-E-A-L meal, meal, N-E-A-L kneel, P-E-A-L peel, S-E-A-L seal, L-E-A-D lead, R-E-A-D read, H-E-A